Welcome to Chef Mariam's website recipe, where you can find a variety of delicious recipes and cooking tips. Today, we're going to talk about one of Chef Mariam's favorite desserts, kheer. Kheer is a traditional Indian rice pudding that is made with simple ingredients like rice, milk, and sugar. However, the key to a great kheer is in the details, such as the type of rice used, the quality of the milk, and the aromatic spices that are added to the dish. Chef Mariam has perfected her recipe for kheer over the years and has some expert tips and tricks to share with you. She recommends using high-quality basmati rice, which has a long grain and a fragrant aroma that is perfect for kheer. Whole milk is also essential to achieving a rich and creamy texture, and fresh spices like cardamom and saffron can add a depth of flavor and fragrance to the dish. To make kheer, the rice is first rinsed and soaked in water for at least 30 minutes. Then, it is cooked in the milk with sugar and spices until it reaches a creamy consistency. Finally, nuts and raisins are added for texture and flavor, and the kheer is chilled in the refrigerator until ready to serve. Kheer is a versatile dessert that can be served on any occasion, from family dinners to festive celebrations. It's also a great dessert for those who are new to Indian cuisine and want to experience something sweet and comforting. On Chef Mariam's website, you can find many other delicious recipes that are easy to follow and use simple ingredients. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced cook, you'll find something that suits your tastes and cooking skills. So, if you're ready to explore the world of Indian cuisine and add some sweet and creamy goodness to your life, try making kheer at home with Chef Mariam's recipe. It's a dessert that's sure to delight and impress your family and friends. Introduction. Kheer is a popular dessert that originated in the Indian subcontinent and is now enjoyed in many parts of the world. Here are 5 points that introduce kheer. History and origin. Kheer has a long history and is believed to have originated in the Indian subcontinent. It is mentioned in ancient Hindu texts and was often served to royalty and in religious ceremonies. Kheer is also a popular dessert in other parts of South Asia, including Pakistan, Bangladesh, and Nepal. Ingredients. Kheer is made with rice, milk, and sugar, and flavored with spices such as cardamom, saffron, or rosé water. It can also be made with other ingredients like vermicelli, semolina, or fruits like mango, coconut, or banana. Preparation. To make kheer, rice is cooked in milk until it becomes soft and creamy. Sugar and spices are added for flavor. It is typically served chilled or at room temperature, garnished with nuts, dried fruits, or edible silver leaf. Variations. There are many variations of kheer, depending on the region and the occasion. For example, in North India, kheer is often made with vermicelli and is known as Sevian kheer. In South India, it is called payasam and is made with jaggery instead of sugar. Significance. Kheer is often served on special occasions like festivals, weddings, and religious ceremonies. It is also a popular dessert served in restaurants and homes as a sweet end to a meal. Chef Mariam's unique kheer recipes to satisfy your sweet tooth. Introduction. Kheer is a popular Indian dessert that is loved by all. This sweet, creamy, and rich dessert is made by simmering rice or vermicelli in milk and flavored with cardamom, saffron, and nuts. In this blog, we will be sharing Chef Mariam's unique kheer recipes that are easy to make and full of flavors. Chef Mariam is a renowned chef with extensive experience in Indian cuisine. Her expertise in cooking traditional dishes and adding her unique twist has made her famous. Let's learn some of her delicious kheer recipes that you can enjoy with your family and friends. 1 coconut kheer. Ingredients. 1 cup grated coconut. 1 liter milk. 1/2 cup sugar. Half a teaspoon cardamom powder. A pinch of saffron. Chopped nuts for garnish. Instructions. In a heavy bottom pan, boil the milk. Add grated coconut, sugar, cardamom powder, and saffron to the milk. Stir well and let it simmer for 20 to 25 minutes until the kheer thickens. Add chopped nuts for garnish and serve chilled. 2 almond kheer. Ingredients. 1/2 cup basmati rice. 1/2 cup blanched almonds. 1 liter milk. 1/2 cup sugar. Half a teaspoon cardamom powder. A pinch of saffron. Chopped almonds for garnish. Instructions. In a heavy bottom pan, boil the milk. Add basmati rice and let it cook for 20 to 25 minutes until the rice is tender. In a blender, blend blanched almonds to a smooth paste. Add the almond paste to the milk and stir well. Add sugar, cardamom powder, and saffron to the milk. Let it simmer for 10 to 15 minutes until the kheer thickens. Garnish with chopped almonds and serve chilled. 3 rose petal kheer. Ingredients: 1 cup rice, 1 liter milk, 1 cup sugar, half a teaspoon cardamom powder, a pinch of saffron, 1/2 cup dried rose petals, chopped nuts for garnish. Instructions: in a heavy bottom pan, boil the milk. Add rice and let it cook for 20 to 25 minutes until the rice is tender. Add all ingredients to the milk. Let it simmer for 10 to 15 minutes until the kheer thickens. Let it cool down and serve chilled, garnished with chopped nuts. 4 chocolate kheer. Ingredients: 1 cup rice, 1 liter milk, 1 cup sugar, half a teaspoon cardamom powder, a pinch of saffron, 1/2 cup chocolate chips, chopped nuts for garnish. Instructions: in a heavy bottom pan, boil the milk. Add rice and let it cook for 20 to 25 minutes until the rice is tender. Add all ingredients to the milk. Let it simmer for 10 to 15 minutes until the kheer thickens. Let it cool down and serve chilled, garnished with chopped nuts. 5 gulkand kheer. Ingredients: 1 cup rice, 1 liter milk, 1/2 cup sugar, half a teaspoon cardamom powder, a pinch of saffron, 1/2 cup gulkand, rose petal jam, chopped nuts for garnish. Instructions: in a heavy bottom pan, boil the milk. Add rice and let it cook for 20 to 25 minutes until the rice is tender. Add all ingredients to the milk. Let it simmer for 10 to 15 minutes until the kheer thickens. Add gulkand to the kheer and stir well. Allow it to chill off and serve chilled, embellished with slashed nuts. Conclusion: Chef Mariam's unique kheer recipes are perfect for satisfying your sweet tooth. These recipes are easy to make and full of flavors that will leave you wanting more. Whether you choose to make coconut, almond, or mango kheer, you're sure to impress your family and friends with these delicious and unique desserts. Kheer Chef Mariam's special information. Chef Mariam is a well-known Indian chef with extensive experience in traditional Indian cuisine. She is known for her unique take on classic dishes and her ability to blend different flavors and ingredients to create delicious and flavorful dishes. When it comes to kheer, Chef Mariam has a special fondness for this classic Indian dessert. She believes that kheer is a versatile dish that can be customized to suit individual preferences and tastes. She often experiments with different ingredients and flavors to create unique and delicious kheer recipes. Chef Mariam believes that the key to making a perfect kheer is to use high-quality ingredients, especially milk and rice. She always uses full-fat milk to make her kheer, which gives it a rich and creamy texture. She also uses good-quality basmati rice to ensure that the kheer is fluffy and not too starchy. In addition to using high-quality ingredients, Chef Mariam also believes that the method of preparation is crucial in making a perfect kheer. She always cooks the rice in the milk until it is fully cooked and the mixture has thickened to the desired consistency. She also adds cardamom powder and saffron to her kheer to give it a unique and aromatic flavor. One of Chef Mariam's unique kheer recipes is her rose petal kheer. This recipe combines the delicate flavors of dried rose petals with the creamy texture of kheer, creating a unique and delicious dessert. Chef Mariam also loves to experiment with different flavors and ingredients such as chocolate, gulkand, rose petal jam, mango, and coconut to create unique and flavorful kheer recipes. Overall, Chef Mariam's special information on kheer is that it is a versatile dessert that can be customized to suit individual preferences and tastes. With high-quality ingredients, proper preparation, and a little bit of creativity, anyone can make a delicious and unique kheer recipe.